Hello everyone and welcome back to the Flying Apron. Today we are going to share with you a very tasty Italian recipe, that is lasagna. We will start by making our homemade pasta sheets. For this, take a large mixing bowl and add 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour, salt to taste, 1.5 teaspoon of olive oil and mix well. Now add water gradually and form a soft dough. Knead the dough till its surface is smooth and let it rest for around 30 minutes. Now for making the pasta sheets, take a small portion of dough, and make a rectangle sheet. Try to maintain the thickness evenly. Now cut the sheet that will fit your pan and set them aside to dry under the fan for 2 to 3 hours. Till then we will prepare other things. Now starting with the red sauce, take around 10 medium-sized tomatoes and remove the top of it. Also mark an X at the bottom so that it peels easily. Now blanch the tomatoes into simmering water for a minute. After a minute, transfer the tomatoes into ice cold water. And now peel the tomatoes and make the puree. We will now start making the sauce. For this, take a pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil and add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and half a tablespoon of chili flakes. Saute it for 30 seconds. After that, add 1 cup of finely chopped onions and saute it until it turns golden brown. Add some salt to taste and mix well. Once the onion turns golden brown, we will add the tomato puree to it. Now add some salt to taste and half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it and let it reduce to half the quantity for around 8 to 10 minutes. While the red sauce reduces, we will prepare our white sauce. For this, take a saucepan, heat 3 tablespoons of butter on low flame. Add 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic and saute it for 30 seconds. Then add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour and cook the flour for about 2 minutes. And then gradually add 2 cups of milk and whisk it continuously so that there are no lumps. Add some salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and let it come to a boil. After that, add 1½ cup of grated cheese and mix well. If the sauce seems to be too thick after it cools down, then you can add little more milk, but make sure that sauce is not too thin. Now our white sauce is completely done, and on the other hand our red sauce also seems to have been reduced. So to this add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and half a tablespoon of oregano. Mix well and cook it for 1 more minute and then transfer it to a bowl. And now time for the vegetables. Heat 2 teaspoon oil and add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Saute it for 30 seconds and add 1 cup of thinly sliced onions. Cook it around for a minute and then add 1 cup of red, green and yellow capsicum. Add some salt to taste and mix well. After that, add half cup of baby corn and saute it for a minute. Make sure that you don't overcook the vegetables. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs to it and mix well. And now the final part, that is assembling. Here I have taken a rectangular baking tray of 1.5 liters and the link to it is in the description box below. We will start assembling by putting the red sauce to the bottom, then place the dried sheets, then spread some more red sauce, add the veggies and then white sauce. Then sprinkle some mozzarella cheese and grate some processed cheese. On the top of it again place the dried sheets and repeat the same process again 2 more times. Add some mixed herbs and some chili flakes on the top of it and it is ready to go to the oven. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes or till the cheese melts and turns a bit brown. You can even choose the grill option for the last 2 minutes for a nice brown color on the top. And here you go, it is ready to serve. Serve it hot. Thanks for watching the video. For detailed recipe, do check the description box below. And for more new recipes, stay tuned till next Monday.